Tired of crypto exchanges and want to buy Solana directly with your credit card? Let's dive into buying crypto directly within Phantom Wallet. First, if you haven't already, download Phantom Wallet from their official website. Make sure you are downloading from the real website to avoid scams. Once installed, create a new wallet following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to securely store your secret recovery phrase. This is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device. Open your Phantom Wallet and tap the deposit button. A menu will pop up. Choose Buy with Credit Card option. Phantom Wallet uses third-party providers like MoonPay and Sardine to process credit card transactions. You'll be redirected to the payment provider's interface. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, in this case, Solana, and enter the amount you want to purchase. The interface will display the equivalent amount in your local currency. Next, enter your credit card details and billing address. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with your transaction. Depending on the payment provider and the amount, you may need to verify your identity. This usually involves submitting a photo of your ID and a selfie. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Review the transaction details carefully, including the fees and the total amount you will be charged. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to finalize the purchase. Once the transaction is processed, you'll see the purchased Solana reflected in your Phantom Wallet balance. And that's it. You've successfully bought crypto with your credit card on Phantom Wallet.